Hello guys, Brko Banks here, back with another video. So today I would like to show you how you can make money with Amazon even if you have $0 to invest. So let's say you don't have any money to invest in this project. I'm going to show you 3 methods or ways to make money with Amazon. So first of all, to begin with, you need to sign up for Amazon affiliate. So this is free, and what Amazon affiliate means is when I'm already logged in, so just a second to log out. So Amazon affiliate means when you promote, for example, when you promote, let's say, this camera. Price of this camera is $459. So when you promote this camera, you can get, let's say, at 8% commission. So that means if you sell this camera, promote this camera to sell, you're going to get around, let's say, 8%, let's say around $40. So for every camera you sold as Amazon affiliate, you're going to get $40. As you can see, this is how page looks like. You can get up to 10% advertising fees, so that means when you sell some products, you're going to get 10%. For example, if you sell fashion, shoes, jewelry, you're going to get, I think I saw 7%. And for this luxury beauty, you're going to get 10% for each promotion. So you need to click on join now, and you're going to sign up. Click on create Amazon account, and you are going to sign up for Amazon affiliate. So when you are done with this, I'm going to show you now 3 ways to promote and get started as Amazon affiliate. Our first method would be you're going to create, let's say, top 5 gadgets. For example, if you Google top, let's say, 10 gadgets, you can see there are a lot of, let's say, top cool gadgets on Amazon you must see. For example, this video. This video has 600,000 views. That is a lot of views. As you can see, when you click in description, here are all the products mentioned in the video. So when someone clicks on this link, they are going to earn, let's say, 8 or 10% commission for these products. That would be a lot of money. For example, from these 600,000 views, only 10% clicked on the link. And what is also amazing with Amazon, when someone clicks on the link and they buy something else, they don't buy this specific product, you are going to still earn a commission for. So what that means, when someone clicks on this link and let's say they don't want to buy this product, they remember, oh, I need chair for my table, for example, and they search for chair and they buy this chair, for example, you're going to earn commission on this one. Also, if they buy few other, let's say this chair and some other items, you're going to still get commission for all these items. So this is pretty big if you ask me. let's say they're going to make a lot of money. You don't need this much views, but let's say if you get 50,000 views, you're still going to make a lot of money with this method. So how are you going to do this? Let's say we are going to make a video about top 5 cameras, and you can review these cameras, or you can search, for example, for commercials and put all 10 commercials for this camera and put a link of all these items in description. So how are you going to create your affiliate link? You're going to sign up for affiliate program. I hope you already did this. And you're going to click on product links. And here you're going to search for products you're going to promote. As you can see, there are a lot of categories for this. Let's say camera, and you're going to search for this specific product. And let's say you're going to promote this one. You're going to click on get link, and here is your affiliate link. So you're going to put your 10 products. As you can see, here are 4 million views on this one. You can't imagine how much money this method could make you. As you can see, Amazon US, so there is a lot of potential to make money with this method. Our second method would be you're going to create a review website. This is very popular because a lot of people are searching for a review of the products. So let's say you are going to review this product. If you don't have money to create a website, you can click a link in description and find the top way to make your beautiful website in less than 5 minutes. So let's say you're going to promote this product, and you're going to search, let's say, this plus review. So as you can see, there are a lot of already review websites. You can create as you can see, this website is already promoting this product. So they are reviewing this product, they are talking about which are positive sides of this product and negative sides. As you can see, design is 8.5, let's say, and here are, you can check prices. So when you click here, they are getting commission if you buy this product. So you are going to make similar review website. You can promote and review as many products as you can, and when people search on Google, for example, for this specific product plus review, you are going to rank your website. If you rank in let's say top 5 spots for this product plus review, you're going to make a killing. Let's say you can make as much as $500 per day only with this review. So guys, here we are at our third method. I must say this method is personally my favorite because I have made some money in the past with this method. So what are you going to do? You're going to promote movies. Let's say you're going to search for top 10 upcoming movies. And you're going to, let's say, promote Star Wars. You're going to search for videos of Star Wars, let's say, for this one. As you can see, 31 million in 1 week. That is really big potential in this one. So how are you going to promote this movie? Let's say you're going to collect trailers for this movie and you're going to make your own. You're going to cut some parts, and let's say you're going to make from 5 trailers, you're going to make 1. And in description you're going to post you're going to search here for this movie. As you can see, in books it's $26. That is a lot. Let's say you're going to click on here on promote, and you are going to post your video, your Star Wars trailer video, and in description you're going to write, click here you can order this book, click here you can pre-order this movie, and or click here you can watch it here, something like this. And if you get, let's say, 500,000 views, you are going to make, I think from 500,000 views I have made around, I'm not sure, I think around $5,000. I'm not sure, but that is pretty big if you ask me, because you're going to make this video in less than, let's say, 40 minutes, and you're going to make $5,000 from Amazon with this specific method. So guys, thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe.
Thanks for watching. Drop a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to subscribe.